A family drove to a resort at an average speed of 30 miles per hour and later returned over the same road at an average speed of 50 miles per hour. Find the distance to the resort if the total driving time was 8 hours. So, this is a situation where we're going somewhere and then coming back. So same distance, same distance, and we're given that the rate there, so to the resort, is 30 miles per hour, and returning 50 miles per hour. And the total driving time was 8 hours, so we just let one of the legs of the trip be X hours as far as how long it took, which means the other leg or the return, or whichever you chose, would be 8 minus X, the difference from 8 hours. So our distance, which is rate times time, is 30X, and then 50 times quantity 8 minus X. And we're going to set those equal to each other. So 30X equals 400 minus 50X, and solve that, which doesn't exactly answer our question yet, because the question was to find the distance to the resort. And this is giving us the number of hours it took to drive to the resort. So this means it took 5 hours to drive there and 3 hours to drive back. We can choose either of these expressions for the distance to plug back into, because if we did the math right here, we got the time that should have made it so that those are equal. So it's 150 regardless of which one you plug back into. So the distance to the resort is 150 miles.